We're hiking to Five Finger Rapids today. Or at least we're gonna see how far we can get. Supposedly there's a ton of snow. Five Finger Islands and the riverbank are composed of conglomerate rock, pebbles and boulders embedded in the sand and mud mixture. Well, I'll be. So they're just chunks of rock. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk it? We are planning on going the stairs and then down to the viewing deck. Oh, you probably want to see what I'm looking at.
High five?
Drone time!
No, you're coming in a little blurry.
Gorgeous. Yep. We did it. He's using the railing cheating. And there goes Mandy up into the abyss. She made it! Well done.
Thank you. Me too. Woo! Woo! John did it!
Did it!